everyone, it's Rachel here, and I am here to bring you a new colorful makeup look. I wanted to try something that was, well, more pink, I guess. So here I am now just putting on my base makeup, my foundation. I should really invest in some primer, but until that happens, foundation is what I got. Now I am applying this very light blue shade on my eyelid. It kind of looks silver on camera, but it's actually a very pale icy blue. Now I'm applying a dark sparkly blue on the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm taking a bright pink sparkly eyeshadow underneath my eye for that special effect. I'm really liking pink at the moment, if you can't tell. Now I'm actually using a liquid lipstick to color my eyebrows to make them match the color of my wig. They came out a bit thicker than I intended, but I'm still pretty happy with the way that they turned out. And I went off camera and finished my other eye and my other eyebrow. Now I am doing a cat eye with this purple liquid eyeliner. I'm always trying to find more ways to incorporate my purple eyeliner into my makeup, and I thought it was perfect for this makeup look. Now I'm just applying some mascara on my eyelashes. I really need to figure out a better way to put on mascara. Wow, okay. Now I'm just applying some bright pink blush on the apples of my cheeks for that flushed effect. Now I am drawing a small harp by the corner of my eye. It was a bit hard to draw with the brush, but I don't know. I think it looks artsy. Now I'm just applying highlight on my nose bridge, my nose tip, and my cupid's bow. Now I'm applying the highlight on my cheekbones. Now I'm actually taking this glitter that I got at a convention this winter and putting it on my highlight. Isn't it just gorgeous? I am applying this bright pink lipstick on my lips. It's actually a bit lighter than I wanted it to be, so I will be going over it with this liquid lipstick to make it a bit brighter and darker. Now I'm just rubbing the edges with my fingertips to fade out the color and blend it more. Now, last touch, I am adding the glitter on the center of my lip as well. Now, this is just for theatrics. Please don't actually eat or drink anything with glitter on your lips. Hi all! Wow, it really feels like it's been forever since I've done a video. It probably hasn't actually been that long, but it certainly felt that long. I'm really excited to start doing videos again. I've finished exams, and now that exams are over and school is no longer, a busy hell, I can finally start doing more YouTube videos and getting back to what I love. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I liked doing it, and I was having a bunch of ideas for the colors and what I wanted to do actually when I was supposed to be studying, and so I would stop studying and write down notes for the makeup look, but I'm really happy actually with how it turned out. I like it a lot. To be honest, I probably would actually wear this out for no special reason at all. I love colorful makeup. I think it's so fun. And I highly encourage all of you watching to definitely just wear it out whenever you want to feel special, or which is every day. Every day should make you feel like you want to feel special. Okay, I'm currently planning maybe like a few videos, and my next song cover that I'm going to be doing will be Ave Maria, and I'm hoping that also turns out good. I'm pretty happy with the way the recording sounds right now, but we'll see if I decide whether or not to record it. But be looking for that video in the future, and thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a nice day!
I'm not afraid anymore, Mother.
Duchess, I forbid you.
I may be a duchess, but I'm also a woman.
Yes! Yes! In your face, Elizabeth!
Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody who loves me.